Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out.
I work out. So in the song, the guy's singing about his own body, right? Girl, look at that body.
Right.
I work out. Well, in this true life story, one woman says because she works out apparently pretty well, that her Planet Fitness, where she works out, told her she had to cover up. Well, that's in Richmond, California. She said that her, well, whoever told her this, said that you're intimidating the other people. Now, her name is Tiffany Austin, and she says employees said that her toned body made other people feel bad.
I put on my earbuds, started walking my, half a mile an hour or whatever. Says, excuse me, we've had some complaints. You're intimidating people with your toned body, so can you put on a shirt? Really, I felt like intimidated and harassed by the place that says no intimidation.
She has a good point there. Yeah. But defense attorney Ebony Williams, she's going to talk about the legal part of this. So they do have a dress code, and that may be the sticking point here. Do we know what the dress code is?
So not exactly, Robin, and that's another problem, right?
Okay.
If you go to the Planet Fitness website, there is no dress code outlined there. It's up to the manager's discretion.
Oh, is it posted? It must be posted, I guess.
Right, well, there's things in the gym itself, but there's the issue. It's so much discretion that sometimes that can have a discriminatory effect. Now, look, Robin, I saw what this lady was wearing to the gym.
It seemed modest to the gyms I've been to.
So typical, yeah, so average. So, look, I think if anything, they were really wrong in the language they used with her. Your body is intimidating. Really, don't we go to the gym to get a toned fit body? That's what I'm there for. So, hopefully they've learned something from this.
Well, they said, yeah, if it made her feel bad and made her feel like she was being bullied, basically, or criticized, that was not right, but that they do have a dress code and everyone must follow it. I wonder if it had something to do with abs, because I believe her abs were showing.
There you go.
Yeah, but I don't think that in and of itself, though, was against the dress code there, Robin. So back to that discretionary issue.
Really?
Also, not just one, but two Planet Fitness officials said something to her, because she was going to put on the T-shirt after the first person asked her to, because they gave her a free T-shirt. She said, fine, no problem. Then another person, and she's like, you know what? I'm done. Give me my money back. Now I feel harassed, just as you said.
Okay.
See, I like to cover my beer arms when I go down there, but it has nothing to do with being toned. Yeah, I don't get it.
Now, there are different opinions here, because some people say, hey, I work out at Planet Fitness, and yes, they do have a dress code. Some of our viewers said, she would be like great motivation, not intimidation.
Right,
Thank you so much.